Wike, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory (FCT) and former Governor of Rivers State, has blamed Governor Seyi Makinde of Oyo State for the problems in the People's Democratic Party (PDP). Wike announced that he is pulling out of all reconciliation efforts in the PDP. He said Governor Makinde did not follow agreements that were made during the party peace meetings. "I told Governor Makinde that he is the architect of our problems," Wike said. He claimed Makinde ignored peace deals made in Lagos and Abuja with other PDP leaders, including Governor Bala Mohammed and Umaru Fintiri. Wike also said that Makinde and Enugu State Governor Peter Mba held a secret meeting to push their own plans, which caused more division in the party. He made this statement on Sunday, 25th of May 2025. Earlier this month, Wike said President Bola Ahmed Tinubu could win the 2027 election if the PDP does not change its strategy. Though Wike is still a member of the PDP, he did not support the party in the 2023 elections. The situation has caused a lot of tension in the party as leaders struggle to rebuild trust and unity. What's your opinion regarding Wike's statement? Share your thoughts with us in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you real-time news updates. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.